ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವಿವತ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಬಾನಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಶಾಪ್ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಸಿ.ವಿ. ರಾಮನಗರ್, ಕಗ್ದಾಸ್ಪುರ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈಯಪ್ನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಬೈಯಪ್ನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವೈಟ್ ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಕೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಈ ಶಾಪ್ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಇವರು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ 100% ಕಾಟನ್ ಕುರ್ತೀಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರರ್. ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಜೈಪುರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ 100% ಕಾಟನ್ ಕುರ್ತೀಸ್ ಇವರು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಫೋರ್ಡಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕುರ್ತೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕುರ್ತೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಜೊತೆ 2 ಪೀಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟು, 3 ಪೀಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟು, ಸ್ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ಗಳು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಶಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಮನೇಲೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರೇಟ್ ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೇಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 30 ಪೀಸ್ ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಜಸ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ಸೈಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಇನ್ನ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರೇಟು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Namaste viewers, welcome to Bani Hand Blocks. We are located in C.V. Ramanagar, Kagdaspura. The nearest metro station to our place is Baipanhalli metro station. You can take a metro or you can take a auto and you can come to our place. It is basically a wholesale store. It is completely in-house manufacturing and we are manufacturing pure mull cotton. I'm again repeating, we are manufacturing pure mull cotton kurtas, dresses, A-lines, Scott sets, everything, all the variety you get and completely at wholesale prices. So it is open for retail customers also. Online, offline, we are having support for everybody. In case you are a customer and you want to buy something without coming to the store, you can ping us on the number which is flashing on the screen and our staff will support you with complete online catalog. You can take pictures from that and we will deliver it to your home. You are located anywhere in India, outside India. We have customers from Singapore, we have customers from Malaysia, and it is a 10 years old manufacturing. This is the first time we are making video on this channel. So I'll be showing you all the varieties that we have in pure mull cotton. So the first variety that we have are these straight line kurtas. I'll tell you the difference. This is mull cotton. These are hand block print cottons which are available in big stores for around 1000 rupees per piece. In our store at wholesale rates, you are getting 3 pieces, yes, 3 kurtas just for 1200 rupees. They are available in different fabrics. Like these are pure ikat. You can see this is pure ikat. This is not a ikat print. This is Kantha fabric. The first one which I showed you was pure mull. This is indigo. There's a complete color guarantee on everything because these are very premium fabrics. Price of each fabric is around 200 rupees plus meter. These are not rayons, these are not Jaipuri cottons. Again and again, I'm repeating for the viewers who are viewing this for the first time that these are complete hand block cottons. See this one, this is pure indigo. Different neck patterns you will get, different designs you will get, and we are manufacturing it from the sizes S to 3XL, that is small size to 46 size, and even we are making till 50 size, 48 to 50, that is up to 5XL. These kind of kurtas are available, and all these pieces in pure mull cotton, hand printed cottons you get from us just by paying 1200 for 3 pieces in pure mull cotton. Sizes available are from S to 5XL.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು, ಮಲ್ ಕಾಟನ್. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜೈ ಕಾಟನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು 1200 ಗೆ 3 ಪೀಸಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು.
In case you are a wholesale customer and you want to buy these kind of stuff, then you can contact us and we will send you the catalog. Our minimum order quantity has to be 30 pieces only.
30 ಪೀಸಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 30 ಪೀಸಸ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1200 ಗೆ 3 ಪೀಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Second category that we have are these beautiful A-line kurtas. As you can see, they don't have a side cut and the flare of these kurtas is almost 3 meters. They are available in indigos, they are available in ikat, they are available in kalamkari. Beautiful prints, beautiful neck patterns, round neck, V-necks, button down pattern, without button down pattern. They are ideal for wearing in case you have heavy hips or heavy stomach and you're looking to wear something for office. You can pick up these beautiful pieces in pure mull cottons, kalamkari, ikas just by paying 799. Yes, it is only 799. These are complete manufacturing rate, almost 4 to 4.5 meter fabric goes to make this, and everything is coming with very smart side pockets also. So very comfortable thing to wear for all ages, and we make sizes from S to 5XL.
ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಕುರ್ತೀಸ್, ಇದು ವಿತ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಲ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇವರು 799 ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನೀವು ವಿಚಾರಿಸ್ಕೊ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೈ ರೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರೇ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವರು ಈ ರೇಟ್ಗೆ, ಈ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬೆಲೆಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಈ ಶಾಪ್ ನ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ 799 ರುಪೀಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಕುರ್ತೀಸು ವಿತ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ 47 ಲೆಂತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
So the next pattern that we have are this beautiful halter neck. You can see there is a halter neck dress like this. Backside will come like this. It is coming with beautiful side pockets, no side cuts, A lines with halter. Very super trending item. Available in pure bagrus, kalamkaris, these bagru prints, block prints, mull cottons, pure handloom ikat. These kind of all available in sizes from S to 4XL, and these beautiful dresses you can take from us just by paying 799 rupees. Yes, only in 799 these beautiful pieces you get. Length of each one of this is 45 length, and you can see the flare. This is the flare of the dress. It's a beautiful dress which you can wear for summer. It's a summer friendly dress. Wholesale customers, big, we have all premium customers buying from us. In case you have a store or you are buying from or selling from your home, you can contact us. Minimum order quantity will be only and only 30 pieces.
ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮನೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಶಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರೋರಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 30 ಪೀಸ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇನ್ನು ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 799 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಬೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
Spaghetti dresses, sir. These
Okay.
are coming with V-neck, back and front V-neck, side pockets are there, A-line is there, length is 45. Price is only 799. These are summer dresses that we have made.
ಓಕೆ,
Sizes available are from S to double XL. Beautiful block prints we have used to make these dresses.
ನೋಡಿ
all-
ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು 799 ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Idu patola print, sir. Idu full patola print. Idu ajrak print ide. Idu block print ide. Idu ajrak
ಸಿಂಗಲ್
print.
ಪೀಸ್ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೇಟ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಬೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ, ಶಾಪ್ ಇದೀರಾ, ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 30 ಪೀಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಬೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ರೇಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
You can contact us for the rates. Only 30 pieces, mixed category, mixed sizes, no set wise stock. Again, I'm repeating, set wise stock silva.
ಓಕೆ,
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 30 ಪೀಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್. The long kurtas, similar I am wearing also.
ಓಕೆ,
So length of this kurtas will be 45 length. It is 4 inches below knee length. Long kurtas with side pockets in premium hand blocks. You can see beautiful hand blocks we have used. These are super premium fabrics. Color guarantee, fadage guarantee. It is 100% on us. This is a very fast moving category of design, which all doctors, advocates, very premium customer base I have for these kind of kurtas. These are all coming with side cuts, 45 length. Price is just 599. Beautiful color collection we have in this, and the sizes available in this are from S to 3XL. And the entire concept we have made in block prints with V-neck, round necks. Different sizes are there, different color options are there, and completely in handloom category only. Summer friendly. You're a customer which is staying in place. We have a lot of customer from Chennai also, lot of customer from Kerala where high temperature goes. These are super comfortable. You can wear it till 50-degree temperature also, absolutely in a comfort wear. Our next category we have, sir, is these beautiful short tops for summers. These are available 3 pieces just for 900 rupees in again complete block print mull cottons. Ajraks we have used, mull cottons we have used, khadi we have used. Beautiful indigo prints are there. kalamkaris are there, and the length of each one of this is 26 length, which is a very very comfortable length. It will cover your tummy portion, it will cover your hip portion also. And the sizes that we are making in them are from S to 3XL. Yes, from small size to 46 sizes we make in different neck patterns. You will get everything will come with a small side slit like this, and different neck patterns in pure 100% cotton, and the hands will be 3/4 hands. So all these you can pick it up from us just by paying 900 rupees for 3
Three piece.
pieces.
900 ರುಪೀಸ್ಗೆ 3 ಪೀಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. 3 ಪೀಸ್ಗೆ 900 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Kalamkari, the indigo, khadi collection,
ಖಾದಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ.
mul cotton,
ಜಸ್ಟ್
no
900 ರುಪೀಸ್ಗೆ 3 ಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ರೇಟ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಪ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ರೀಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ.
Next category of short tops are these beautiful spaghetti short tops. This is available in sizes from S to M. This is beautiful short tops for college going girls, for youngsters, whoever want to wear this. These does not have sleeves inside, and the pricing is again 3 pieces for just 900 rupees in pure block prints, kashish, indigos, different prints you get in this. These spaghetti beautiful tops are now available in store, and you can take just by paying 3 pieces 900.
3 ಪೀಸಸ್ 900.
Next we have is this beautiful concept of ajrak tops. Yes, designer ajrak top with complete patchwork. See, lot of mehnat, lot of craftsmanship goes to make these beautiful tops, and they are available in different ajrak. These are pure natural dyes, and these all are available in store with very very limited quantity. In case you have a big store, you're looking for some designer stuff, you can contact us. These are available at a price range of just 799.
799.
The next category that we have are these beautiful long khadi cotton straight pants. Yes, these are in pure khadi. They are coming with two side pockets. It is coming with front elastic like this, and there is a back elastic. There is a nada provision also, and they are coming in sizes from S to 5XL till 50 size. We make these pants. Seam length, idu seam length. Normally straight pants very uncomfortable to wear. We cannot wear it, but in this you will have no problem, because we have given almost 12 inches seam length in this, which means the person who is wearing a 5XL kurta also can comfortably wear these pants. Length of these pants are 40, and they are coming in different colors, all in pure khadi. Different all colors are available with us. See, these beautiful colors options are available with us, and you can contact us to get these khadi pants. You can combine it with the kurtas, like the kurta what I'm wearing, with that also you can wear. With the short tops that I've shown you, with that also you can wear. And price is just 3 pieces for 1200
3
rupees.
pieces 1000 rupees.
1200.
Okay.
This is the next category that we have. These are straight pants in pure ajraks and mul cotton, in which we make kurtas, we make straight pants also. Beautiful straight pant. Online these kind of pants are available for 1500 on Myntra and all, you can see. And with us at wholesale manufacturing prices, you are getting 3 pieces just for 1400.
3
Yes,
pieces. Okay.
1400 only for 3 pieces. Single piece you can take in just 550 rupees from us. Beautiful indigos we have, ajraks we have, this kashish print we have. These are beautiful natural indigos, ajraks, everything we have, and all these are available with us in store from sizes S to 5XL. You can contact us for wholesale or retail purchase of this. Next category we have are these beautiful long dresses, 50 length long gowns, which are there in store. These are coming with these front buttons like this, and coming with elbow length sleeves, full flare. It is almost 5-meter flare which has been given for these dresses, and everything we have made in pure ikat and handloom material. And these are available in, see, this beautiful blue color, in this
The green color.
green color,
Mhm.
this black. All these beautiful dresses are available with us in the sizes from S to 3XL in the pricing just 1100 rupees. rupees.
1100 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Only
Pure
1100 rupees. Pure ikat, 4.5 meter to 5 meter fabric goes to make this. So it is like a throwaway pricing for this one. You see this kind
Okay.
of. These are not ikat prints. These are pure handloom ikat. It's almost 300 rupees meter fabric, pure handloom fabric,
Okay.
and very very fast moving stuff, sir.
Okay.
The next category we have are these A-line 50 length long gowns without side cut, coming with almost 4.5 meter flare in straight A-line with collar. Very very fast moving pattern, available in different colors in ikat with us again. Sizes available are from S to 3XL. Prices just 1100 rupees.
Just 1100 rupees.
For
Okay.
full long gowns, 50 length, people looking for summer dresses, you can buy these beautiful pieces from us. Next category we have are these beautiful cord sets, the most trendiest item, coming with side cuts like this. They will have side cuts like this and coming with 3/4 hands in different fabrics. We make these cord sets in pure handloom and hand woven cottons. So I'll show you. It is coming with the straight pant like this, beautiful long straight pant, front belt, back elastic. Seam length is almost 12 inches for the very very comfortable wear. It is coming with two side pockets also. Kurta will also come with the side pocket, 45 length, and everything in pure cotton. This kind of stuff on Insta and all, people buy and sell for almost 2500, and in a store at wholesale rates you are getting just for 1200 to 1500. Now next one, which is, it's a pure handloom fabric. You can see it's a hand woven fabric, very very premium stuff. For office use, something you're looking for completely different stuff, very premium stuff, you can buy these from us. They are available in different color options and different neck patterns, different fabrics. We use kalamkari, we use handlooms, we use ajraks. Like this one is in pure ajrak. I'll open and show you this piece. This is in like pure ajrak, beautiful piece in pure ajrak with hand embroidery, all in-house production we have, and all these beautiful pieces are available in the store for wholesale and retail customers from the sizes S to 50 size. You can pick it up from us just by paying 1000 to 1500. You can ping us, we will send you the prints which are available in your size, and you can take this from us. Next category we have are the 3-piece cotton, pure cotton sets with top, bottom, and dupatta. Dupatta is all in pure cotton in 2.5 meter, full 100% pure 60/60 cambric cotton, high quality cotton with complete handwork. Different color options are available in them. Pants are very comfortable. People have a doubt with the pants. Our pants, this is complete in-house manufacturing. And pant I would like to show. See, these are the pants. So the seam length is almost 12 inches. Complete interlocking has been given on everything. Very premium quality. Online 18, 19, 2000 rupees you are getting this stuff if you are buying same quality, and in our store it is available just for 1200 to 1400. Different color options are available. Sizes are available from M to 3XL.
ಇದು 3 ಪೀಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 2.5 ಮೀಟರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ದುಪ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 60
Cambric
60
cotton.
ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ
Dupatta length ನೋಡಿ, the dupatta you different videos I've seen 400 500. The quality ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು shrinkage ಆಗಿದೆ, fadage
ಓಕೆ.
ಆಗಿದೆ. In this one you will have no problem
No problem.
in the pant size also, no problem in the kurta size also, and the length of dupattas, no cut we give. Premium items we sell, and these are all available just for 1200 to 1400 rupees. Beautiful long and beautiful collection of 2-piece sets that we are making in ikat, we are making in block print, we are making in handloom cotton, we are making in ajraks, indigos, different sizes we are making from S to 5XL. Everything is coming in pure handloom cotton, and all these are available in the sizes from S to 5XL till 50 sizes. You are getting very comfortable pants. You are getting in all these range is our complete in-house manufacturing. Every time you will get around 30 to 40 designs available in each size. And for wholesale also, you can contact us for minimum 30 pieces. In case you're a retail customer, these are available in pure handloom cotton. Again repeating, it's handloom cotton, and you can get it at a price range of just 1200 to 1500. Okay, next category we have are these pure handloom saris. You can see we have it in batik, we have it in block print, all pure linen saris. We sell pure hand block linen saris in the store, and you get it in the range of 900 to 1500. These, look at this beautiful, ever trending on Insta, Facebook, everywhere. These beautiful Ajrak modals are in trend. These are now available in store, and you are getting it only from 900 to 1500 range. You can contact us. Kalamkaris we have, pure indigos we have, these kind of beautiful Bhagalpuris we have. So all these are again a complete manufacturing prices from 900 to 1500 rupees only. Next category we have are these beautiful hand block bags. We make kurtas, we make dresses, we also make beautiful bags in hand blocks. You're getting different variety of handbags with us in the price range of just 250 to 350. From 250 to 350, these beautiful sling bags, side pockets, different designs are available. You can contact us for these beautiful designs. All these beautiful ever trending indigos, ajraks are also available at manufacturing rate. In case you are a wholesaler looking to buy for your store, you can contact us. We will send you the complete catalog and you can make the purchase. To combine with this beautiful hand block kurtas, we also give you these beautiful oxidized jewelry. These are 100% oxidized jewelry, which is also known as one silver, German silver jewelry. These are available in different color of. They look very pretty with these handloom kurtas, and they are available in retail only for the price range of just 100 to 150 rupees. These kind of different jhumkas will come, these kind of beautiful earrings will come, this kind of hangings will come, different categories we make, and we give you for just 100 to 150 rupees. So guys, we have shown you lot of variety in hand blocks, starting from kurtas, long kurtas, dresses, single piece dresses, spaghetti, as well as the halter neck dresses, short tops we have shown you. All these beautiful things we make in-house manufacturing. We have a manufacturing unit in Bangalore only. So in case you have a store and you're looking to buy something in pure cotton for the upcoming summer season, this will be very fast moving stuff. So you can contact us. We have stocks ready every time, and minimum order is only, again I'm repeating, 30 pieces. For retail customer, we have complete online support. So you can visit the store directly to make the purchase, or you can contact us online on the number flashing on the screen. Complete support will be given, catalogs will be provided, but the only thing is we don't make anything set wise. So it will be single piece, single size for the benefit of the customer. In small amount, you can make a lot of variety. In case it's only XL size which is moving for you, you can take only XL size. In case you have only S size moving for you, you can take only S sizes. So you can contact Bani Hand Blocks or visit our store. Thank you so much.
Thank you.